So now here in this implementation, what we are going to do, we are going to design a form. So basically here you can see I put a form tag, and inside for each particular row, for each particular section of your form, like for any particular field, I have put the div, and inside that I have said form group. That means a label or any input control which you are taking will be bound logically in a single group. So whenever you will apply some changes in this div, that will be applicable for all the controls inside this form group. So for email I have a group, for password again I have formed a group out here. Alright, so logically whatever controls are doing the similar task, I will enclose them or I will bind them inside a group for the easy maintenance. Now inside this you can see every time I'm putting something, I have using it as a form control, and so that's why whatever control I will put here, like email, for password, it will be designed for this particular form itself. And here it's placeholder which was there in the HTML as well, so it will basically show you a text on the controls. So let's save it for now and execute this over the browser. And here you can see this is the default appearance of your form. So this